Hello children, welcome to the Wise Grandpa YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning about numbers, the wonder of learning numbers. Look at this book, it has keys, the numbers. Wow, so let's get going. Who's excited? Yay! One panda, one lollipop, one ice cream, one pencil, one hairbrush, one dollhouse, two party hats, two chicks, two ice skates, two boxing gloves, two bottles, two dogs. Good job, children. Let's move on to page 3. All right. 3 bagels, 3 rolls of film, 3 lights, 3 blocks, 3 plants. Turn the page to 4. 4 floppy disks, 4 loaves of bread, 4 tires, 4 doggy biscuits, 4 Easter eggs. Turn the page. 5 crackers, 5 keys, 5 cashew nuts, 5 cups. Moving on to page 6. 6 chocolates, 6 marbles, 6 bananas, 6 penguin. Turn to page 7. 7 building blocks, 7 colors of paint, 7 bottles, 8 books, 8 safety pins, 8 raspberries. Turn the page. 9 charms, 9 light bulbs, 10 colored pencils. Yay! Good job, children. Good job. We did it.